Casey, what are you doing right now?
I'm currently cleaning pottery from yesterday at the mill.
So what's the process? What do you have to do?
So the process is that we get it from a big bucket, like in here, and it's soaking for about 24 hours, and then we put it in a separate bucket, and then we just scrub off any dirt that's remaining on it, and you usually have to dip it a couple times, and then we put it in this bucket to dry.
And you listen to reggae while you're doing it.
Yeah, there's usually good music too.
And company.
Yep.